Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. 2 Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Air Max 1 by Nike in the clear jade colorway. These released back in July 2023 here in the UK for the retail price of £140. It comes in a classic red and white Nike box. Inside the box comes your shoes wrapped in white paper. No accessories come with this pair. An extra set of jade green laces would have been nice, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. It features a white mesh upper with an emerald jade green leather and light grey suede overlays. I like its simple OG colour blocking without the signature shiny acrylic tongue and colour accent. But what I like more is that I grabbed these at size for just £72 in the January sales. I was looking for a casual gym shoe that wasn't too expensive. The colourway I would rate at 6 out of 10, it's nice but nothing special, while the materials and overall build, I'll rate it an 8 out of 10. Sure, it's synthetic, but the leather mesh and suede feels soft and very comfortable, so a 7 out of 10 overall with a great price point. It's probably more of a summer shoe, but I like the pop of colour since I usually work out in dark colours. Let me know what you picked up in the sales. Thanks for watching, please comment still and drop a like to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up, did you miss out or did you pass? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.